Got it going?
Yep.
Okay. This is what we have. A pound of butter, real butter,
Okay.
a cup of brown sugar, 5 to 6 Hershey bars,
Okay.
and a candy thermometer,
Yep.
a cup of nuts,
Okay.
and a buttered pan. You need to open the Hershey bars so that they're ready when you are ready for them. Okay, on the butter, after you wrap it, you could take it right from the refrigerator. It doesn't matter if it sits out a little bit, whatever your choice is, and just cut it up so that it melts faster when you put it in the pan. That's okay. As the butter melts, just stir it constantly so that it doesn't burn, and then put your temperature about just a little bit under medium. Don't cook it too fast or too high because it'll likely to burn.
Okay.
When you put the candy thermometer in, before you do that, actually get yourself familiar with what the 300 degrees is. Now that it's melted, we can put in our hard-packed brown sugar. Woo! It isn't even boiling yet, but once it is, well, you have to stir constantly all the time so that it doesn't scorch or burn. But once you put the candy thermometer in, well, you don't actually put that in.
Not yet.
Not yet. Let it bubble and let it broil for a little bit, and then plan for about 10 minutes for yourself to be stirring it. Is the candy thermometer. We're going to be putting it in now, and right there is 300 degrees. So get yourself familiar with what it is before you put it on the pan so you'll recognize it. It takes still quite a while yet. I push it all the way down and then bring it up just a little bit.
Off the bottom of the pan?
Yeah. The reason she's using a flat spatula is that it scrapes the bottom of the pan and does a better job than it's really to do.
Yeah. Okay. And then what am I going to do when it hits 300 degrees on the thermometer?
You take it off the fire immediately.
Okay.
And pour it into your pan, your buttered pan.
Okay. I'm at 300 degrees. I'm taking it off. I'm going to take the thermometer out, put it in water, and then pour it in. You can stop it.
Take the pan. Yeah.
Okay.
Now she's going to place the chocolate on top. Now we let it sit and let it melt. Okay, just take a spoon or something to spread the chocolate all around. Make it nice and smooth. Along all the edges. Nuts on. Okay, now it takes a flat spatula and just press the nuts down into the chocolate so that it adheres a little better. And tomorrow morning, you'll have some nice English toffee.